This video, we're going to look at how to make a line graph or a line chart for using Google Sheets. So I've put my entire table in here with column names there, and I'm going to highlight everything, including the column names, and say Insert Chart. And it's going to pick a chart for me that it thinks I want a bar graph, and I don't. So I'm going to come here and pick a line graph instead. And that's going to be it. These are just categories that it's going in the order that it is on the chart. It doesn't really have any idea that this is 5 to 7 as a range. If you wanted to look at it more on the number line and where the center of that interval was, you would have to find the class marks, and it would actually plot based off of 6 on the number line here from 0 to some number, and this would be spaced out a little differently, but it's just looking at these incrementally in categories, figuring that they're going from smallest to biggest. All right. Next one, same thing. Highlight here, score frequency, insert a chart, and look at that. It remembers that we just did a line chart, so it figures we want another one. And so there it is, example 23, copy, insert chart, and it's going to automatically choose the line chart again since we just used it. And for the last example here, copy everything here and insert a chart, and there it is. Don't forget you can change your X and Y axis here if you need to. Those should be correct because we put the category names up there. If you want to change the name of your chart title, you can click up there and do that. There's really not a lot that you need to do in the setup or customization here for a line chart. So that's it with the Google Sheets information. It's really quick and easy to make a line graph on here. Whether it's group data like this or if you have found the class mark like we did when we used the calculator. All right, that's it for this video. See you for the next one.